How to fix JISULIFE Mini Fan, not working, battery, motor, and reset troubleshooting guide. Here's a complete step-by-step troubleshooting guide for fixing a JISULIFE Mini Fan that's not working, including battery, motor, and reset issues. Is your JISULIFE Mini Fan suddenly not turning on or acting up? Whether it's a battery, motor, or just a simple reset issue, I've got you covered. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix your mini fan fast. Step 1. Check the battery 1. Charge the fan for at least 2 hours using the original USB cable. 2. Make sure you're using a working power adapter or USB port. 3. Look for a charging indicator light, typically red while charging and green or off when fully charged. Watch out. If the indicator light doesn't turn on at all, try another USB-C or micro USB cable. Plug into a laptop or power bank to verify the fan isn't just picky about chargers. Step 2. Try a soft reset. How to reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Wait a few seconds and press it again to see if it powers on. If your model has multiple speed settings, try pressing the button multiple times. Step 3. Check the motor and blades. What to look for. Spin the blades manually. They should turn freely. Listen for grinding or resistance. A stuck blade could overheat the motor. Remove any visible dust, debris, or hair from the blades and shaft. Quick fix. Use a Q-tip and a bit of rubbing alcohol to clean around the blade base. If the fan feels warm or smells burnt, the motor may be damaged. Step 4. Inspect the charging port. Check for loose USB connector, bent pins, or dirt inside the port. Fix. Use a toothpick or soft brush to gently clean the port. Avoid using metal tools to prevent shorting the circuit. Step 5. Internal circuit issues. If the fan still doesn't work, the internal battery might be dead. You can carefully open the fan with a small screwdriver to check for loose wires, swollen battery, burnt circuit board. Only open the fan if you're comfortable working with small electronics. Optional. Replace the battery. Many JISULIFE fans use 18650 lithium batteries inside. Replace with a matching rechargeable battery if accessible. Ensure polarity is correct and avoid using cheap knockoffs. Final tips. Always unplug the fan when not in use to avoid battery drainage. Store it in a cool, dry place to prevent battery damage. If your fan is under warranty, contact JISULIFE support for a replacement. If this guide helped fix your JISULIFE Mini Fan, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Drop a comment if you have a specific model you'd like me to cover.